Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. This is a tutorial for the dance L.I.L.Y, choreographed by Darren Bailey. 64 count intermediate level dance. It does have one tag and a restart in it. It is a lot of fun, so let's just get started. I'll turn my back as we usually do. Alright, so we're going to be dancing on a diagonal here. So this is 12 o'clock, so we're going to be moving over about 1:30 to start, and we'll be dancing at 1:30 and 7:30 on this first couple of counts of 8, okay? So we're going to walk to our diagonal, right, left, and a locking shuffle, step, lock, step, rock, recover with your left foot, left, right, and then as you bring your left foot in to your right, you're going to take 2 little bounces, bounce, bounce to our new corner. Okay, let's go through that again. Diagonal goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same exact thing to this other diagonal to 7:30, walking right, left, right, lock, step, rock, recover, bounce, bounce. So your first 2 8s are the same. So we'll just do that one more time, a little bit up the tempo with counts. 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, rocking 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third count of 8, you start on the diagonal and then you're going to straighten yourself out to 12 o'clock. You're going to go 1, 2, right, left, and out, in, cross. Point and point, back, side, front. So with counts, we have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. One more time just to be sure. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Fourth count of 8 is a little samba whisk step. Your rhythm is 1, 2, and. You take it out side, back, and side, back, and. Left foot is going to point front, point side. We're going to take a sailor step with our left foot, turning a half to get to 6 o'clock. Take my left foot behind, open, and step forward on that third step. So let's go over that again. So the samba goes 1, 2, and 3, 4, and point 5, point 6, 7, and 8. And you're now at 6 o'clock. Okay? From here, we're going to take Dorothy's, which the rhythm is also going to be 1, 2, and. The right foot's going to go step, lock together, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, lock, step. I'm going to turn my back so you can see that. So you're going on a slight angle out. You're going to go forward, lock, and forward, lock, and forward, lock, and forward, lock, and. Okay? And again, that is going to be at your next wall over here. Okay? Let's go back to the beginning and do that much from the top. 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rocking 5, 6, bounce, 7. Same thing. Going 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rocking 5, 6, 7, 8. Going to walk 2, and 3, and 4. 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Side, back, and point, point, sailor. Now we go right, left, and left, right, and right, left, and left, right, and. Cool? We good so far? So that gives us 5 counts of 8. Now on the 6th count of 8, we're still facing 6 o'clock. I'll show it to you here and then I'll turn my back on it again so you can see the feet. It's heel grinds. We're going to take our right leg across the left as we go grind, step, and cross. I'm going to do that again. You've got 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. The third one turns a quarter to 9 o'clock. 6. Take another step cross. And 7. You're going to take your right knee, you're going to hitch it up, and you're going to snap. Snap. Now I'm going to turn my back so you can see this. So the heel grind goes across. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and cross, hitch. Okay? One more time. At the correct wall. 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. So you're now at 9 o'clock. Okay? So now that for this part, we are dancing on the side walls as opposed to 6 and 12. Okay? So this right leg is going to cut behind, side, back, and a crossing triple with your right, left, right, side rock, left, right, 5, 6, weave, back, side, front. Okay? Let's do that again. So you just need a little hitch. You're going to go behind, side, cha, 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 side, rock, back, side, front. If you wanted to see that from this side so you can see it, after I've gone here, it's just 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? How are we doing so far? That's the long one. Let's go back to the beginning and walk through it. We're almost done. So for continuity, we're going on our diagonal. 6, 7, 8. You walk 1, 2, lock at 3 and 4, rock 6 and bounce, bounce. Again, 1, 2, 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, bounce, 7, straighten it out. On 1, 2, out, out, and cross. Point the foot and weave. 7, now samba. Go 1, 2, and 3. Point the foot. 5, 6, sailor turn to your Dorothy's. Right, left, and left, right, moving forward. 6 and 7, heel grind goes right. 2 and 3, 4, quarter turn. 6 and 7, 8, go back. 2, cha, 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 side, out, 7 and 8. Okay, let's finish this off. You're going to take your right foot, and we're going to do hip rolls. And the first one's going to be a counterclockwise. So I'm going to step my right foot out, and we go hip, bump, hip, bump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half a pivot. 5, 6. Now we need to get to the new wall, but remember it's on a diagonal. So I'm going to do a little push that's going to take me half and here. Actually, it's quarter. Let me get that right for you here. You're going to go half, turn. You're going to do quarter, and then this is 3/8, which gets you to there. Okay? So that last kind of 8 goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, quarter, push, 3/8. And now I'm at my new wall, but I'm at the diagonal, and we start that walk right there. So let's go from the top and add that on. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, lock, 3 and 4, rock, recover, bounce it out, 7 and 8. Again, 1, 2, a 3 and 4, 5, 6, bounce, 7. We're going to straighten it. 1, 2, out, out. Take a point, weave, 7, samba, whisk goes 1, 2, and 3, 4, and point, and take your Dorothy's. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, grind. 1, 2, and 3, 4, quarter turn. 6 with a hitch and a snap. Go back. 2, triple cha, 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 side rock and weave. Now the hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, half, turn, quarter, 3/8, walk, walk, and you go to your new wall. Now, as I mentioned, there is one little tag and a restart. It happens at wall 5, which is here, and it starts after 32 counts. So it's going to get to you right when you turn before you go into your Dorothy's. So it will be after, let's just do the first part of it. So you've got your walk, walk, lock, rock, recover, bounce, walk, walk, lock. Here's your 2 8s, yeah? Third 8 is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Samba is your 4th. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now this is going to be your tag. Your tag is going to get you back to 12 o'clock. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a little turn. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just a little paddle. So you're going to go a quarter, and you're going to make your hips go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you start. And you start it over again. And you're back to where you were. Okay? So, I think it's time to go ahead and do this with music. So I'm going to turn around and we will take a shot. Here we go.
Oh, it's a long way down.
Rock and bounce.
But if you don't look, you don't have to know it.
Now straighten it out. Whisk on that samba. Point. We take the Dorothy.
Can't you see that I come crawling on my
Feel right.
Get to you.
Quarter turn with a little hitch.
Can't you see that I climb mountains just to
Yes.
be next to you, next to you, next to you.
Pushing it around, we start it again.
But do you love me like I love you?
Bounce.
Don't have to rush if you don't want to.
Straighten it out.
Oh, I'll be patient, but just know that there's no way that anybody else can love you
Point.
like I love you.
Dorothy.
Love you. Love you.
Pitch it up.
Love you. Know you've been hurt before, but a little love is enough to save you.
Take it front.
You can take
Cross it over.
Sure,
Samba.
something real is worth the
Point.
waiting.
Dorothy.
Can't you see that I'm
Forward.
crawling on my feet?
Feel right.
Get to you, get to you, get to you.
Pitch it up.
Can't you see I swim the ocean just to be next to you, next to you, next to you?
Here we go.
But do you love me like I love you? Don't have to rush if you don't want to. Oh, I'll be patient, but just know that there's no way that anybody else can love you like I love you. Love you. Love you. Like I love you. Love you.
Here we go. Last, this is going to be our restart wall.
She won't surrender your heart. Keeping me out in the dark. Keeping me out in the
Take
dark.
it front.
I know you're wanting me, but she won't surrender your
Your
heart.
samba.
Keeping me out in the dark. Keeping me out in the dark. In the
Roll,
dark.
roll, and.
Do you love me like I love you? Don't have to rush if you don't want to. Oh, I'll be patient, but just know that there's no way that anybody else can love you like I love you. Like I love you. Like I love you.
We did it! We did it! All right, so that's a really fun dance. And again, it's called L.I.L.Y, but it's actually L.I.L.Y, in case you're looking up the step sheet. Stands for Like I Loved You. I so appreciate you tuning in. I do hope that if you have not subscribed that you will, and you will pass the word. We have 100 videos or so here on the channel. I appreciate you watching. I am teaching regularly here in the Los Angeles area at the BL Dance Hall and Saloon, and I do hope to see you very soon on the dance floor. Thank you so much.